Okay, for EDDO phase 1, you need to know how to do the scissor cut. Hold the deck with lifted straddle grip and use your thumb to cut the deck from the short side. Switch the position of the packets. Next, you need to learn my original cut, swish. You'll need your right thumb and middle finger to pull 10 to 12 cards. Then, spin the packet around your left ring finger. Your right ring finger will assist the packets from the bottom to turn the packet, and your hand will push the packet back to the deck. Now, if you combine both of them, EDDO phase 1 is completed. For EDDO phase 2, hold your last position. On your right hand, your middle finger will be assisted with your ring finger. Your thumb will be the pivot between the top and the bottom packet. Place your pointer finger just like what I did. Meanwhile, on your left hand, your pointer finger will push the bottom packet towards you. After you push the bottom packet, grab it with your right pinky and thumb. Lift both packets, and your middle packet will automatically assist the bottom packet to turn over. After the bottom packet has turned, your left thumb will hold the bottom packet from behind. Then, your right middle finger will push the top packets on the short side towards you, and the deck will close by itself. For you guys who might not know it yet, EDDO is also a false cut. As I pick the ace of heart, then I do EDDO, you will see that the ace of heart will return to the top of the deck.